You know, I could tell it was your first kid.
You could?
Yeah. Back at the hospital, the way you were holding your baby and shit. I mean, sorry about the shit part. I didn't mean it in a bad way, you know? But, yeah. Anyway, it's a great thing watching your kid grow up.
Yeah, I can imagine it is.
What's wrong, man? What's the problem with you and your wife?
Look. Carol is the love of my life. We've always wanted to have a child. We tried for years. Every time we failed, it was like a part of us died. And when it finally happened, that day when we found out, we've never been so happy. Then, everything went to hell. And I ended up in prison.
Damn.
Yeah. The receptionist should know where to go.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where the hospital is?
You're in the hospital.
Take the elevator.
I am?
Are you okay?
I get mixed up pretty easy. Doctors say I'm senile.
It's just a fancy way of saying you're getting old.
Ha! That's exactly what I'd say. You have a nice day.
You too.
Good evening.
Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, you can. My friend is looking for his wife.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You are way too old to drive.
No. Trust me, I'm fine.
Let me guess. Car accident?
Yes. It's the third time in 6 weeks.
She says I'm too old to drive.
What's wrong with you?
It hurts, man. Hurts real bad.
How old are you, sir, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, no, not at all. I'm 81.
81. You're 89. He's 89.
I could have sworn I was 81. 89? Oh, my God. 89? Maybe I am too old to drive.
Maybe you are. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
My wife just had a baby.
Oh, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. So, which way to the maternity ward?
Just, take the elevator to the top floor and then follow the signs.
Thank you. This game looks pretty fun.
Ha! Suck it, loser. Bet you didn't see that one coming.
Yeah, right. And I won. I'm the master.
You clearly cheated. Come on, Vincent, let's go.
Wait. You guys seem familiar. Have I seen you before?
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay. Whatever. But your faces are so familiar. I'm sure I've seen you somewhere.
It's probably me.
It is?
Yeah, I'm here a lot. I got this disease. The doctors can't figure out what it is, but
Yes.
you don't have to worry about it. They don't think it's contagious. It's fine.
All right. Well, this is my floor, so
All right,
feel
take
better.
it easy.
Nice.
I know.
So, you excited to see your baby?
I'm more nervous.
Understandable. I was nervous too, but don't worry. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
All right,
How hard can
this is
this
fun. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm really good at
Easier
this.
than I thought.
Oh, my back.
Shit. All right. Maybe not.
Whoa! My back.
Shit. All right. Maybe not. Shit. All right. Maybe not.
Whoa! My back. Does it really take two guys to change a light bulb?
If you're in the union, it does.
And, we are in the union.
Let me get this straight. The two of you both get paid for doing one man's job?
Yep, we do.
I kind of like how you union guys work.
Oh, yeah? You should join the union, too.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we don't have a union for my line of work.
It sure is a giant leap for mankind.
Excuse me. This is the maternity ward, right?
Yes, it's over here. Are you the father?
No, I'm not, but my buddy is. I'll get him. Vincent! Here.
Congratulations. What are you hoping for? Boy? Girl?
Girl. Who wants a boy?
What are you looking for? Beer, man.
I hope you don't mind me asking, but I don't see the father around.
Oh, you mean my good-for-nothing idiot boyfriend? Yeah, he's not here.
Maybe that's for the best? Him not being around?
Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself.
Stay strong. Excuse me, ma'am. My wife just had a baby.
What's the name, please?
Carol. Already?
Right, just follow me, sir.
Thank you. Hey, Leo. You coming? Please, Leo. Thanks. Hey, Carol. You okay?
I'm fine. Vincent, what are you doing here?
She's my daughter, too. This is, Leo.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am. Yeah. Baby girl, huh? I'll leave you guys alone. I'll be waiting outside. Yeah. And, congrats, by the way.
Can I hold her?
Okay.
She's so beautiful.
She is.
You know, I miss you.
Vincent, please.
I love you so much. I just have to finish this. You have to trust me. Carol.
What do you want me to say?
I just want you to trust me, okay? Things will be different.
You keep saying that, but you're gonna get yourself killed. I can't live with that.
I'm not gonna let that happen. I promise. You have to trust me, Carol.
Vincent, we need to get the hell out!
There he is!
The cops are here!
No shooting, we're in the hospital.
Okay, let's go.
Carol.
Just go. Go.
Shit! There he is! He's running for it! Get him!
Hey!
Freeze! Don't move! Stop! Hey, yo! There! There he is! He's running for it! Freeze!
Oh, shit!
Give up! Hey!
Move! Get out of the way!
Watch it! Freeze! Surrender! Stop right there!
Shit!
Hey! Is anybody in here? Better show yourself. Murray, you got anything? No, it's all clear.
Come on,
Hey, yo,
open,
hey,
goddammit!
You under arrest.
Open!
Hey! Watch it!
He's over there!
Stop him!
Hey, you can't be in here!
Hey!
Someone call security!
Freeze!
I need to get up in that vent.
He's over there!
Are you shitting me? All right, come on, let's go.
You wanna fight? Let's fight! He's over there! Don't let him get away!
I'll beat every single one of you. Come on.
Damn. I need to find a way out of here.
Check the window.
I don't know. I don't think he's that stupid.
You never know with these fugitives.
Freeze!
God damn.
Don't move a muscle.
Check the window.
I don't know. I don't think he's that stupid.
You never know with these fugitives.
I'm not so sure.
Hey, you think it came through the ventilation?
Yeah, looks like it. So, where'd he go?
I guess he jumped down and ran out.
Yeah, he must have been fast.
Only explanation.
He's not lying in here.
Looks like quite a drop from that vent.
You think he might be hurt?
Maybe.
Hey!
coming with me.
Put the gun down now!
Back away!
Don't hurt it!
Shut up!
You can't
Just
win
back
this.
away!
Don't do anything stupid.
Shut up!
Take it easy.
Come closer and I'll shoot him.
Put the gun down now! Don't hurt it!
Get over here. Just... Fuck! Piece of shit door! Open!
Oh, crap. Damn. Think, Vincent, think. Ah, people. I'll try to blend in.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
We have 2 fugitives at large in the hospital right now.
I know. My colleague just called me. I think it's these 2 guys in the paper.
Yes. Have you seen them at all?
No. Are they dangerous in any way?
If you see them, you make sure you stay safe. Stay away and call for any of us, okay?
Will do. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.
Sure. We'll be patrolling this wing for now, so we'll be close by. If you see or hear anything suspicious at all, you let us know, okay?
Of course, officer. Thank you.
Stay safe, ma'am.
There's nowhere to run! Freeze!
To hell with it. I'll jump out of the window.
Are you shitting me? Come on! Open!
Freeze!
Fuck!
Surrender! Freeze!
Shit!
Stop! You're under arrest.
Come on, let's go!
Damn. I need to help him. The car. There he is.